All right, we got the handlebars, we got struts, and here we've got hand guards, grips, levers,
especially when it's always the best.
New screws, mirrors, maybe, yes, mirrors. Yeah, I don't have the key down here. I left that up in my room, but whoo, yeah.
Ooh.
And it matches.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I got everything blue.
That's pretty.
Mm-hmm. It's slightly different. Slightly bent.
Look here. Now look at it.
Uh-oh. And then
Tape off my
the unveiling.
$70 knife.
Maybe.
Bubble wrap. Yes.
Maybe. That looks like 2 struts to me.
And that looks like a lot of bubble wrap.
That's a lot of bubble wrap. Goodness.
Thank you.
Look, it's straight. Isn't that amazing? Let's go. Grips are on. Yeah, kinda. This doesn't want to go. All right, got this on now. And then that, I'm not gonna put on yet because I might need to twist that to get other things that need to go here. So, got these cleaned up a little bit too. Got some of the grease out of the inside. So hopefully we can tell if there is a leak that we need to fix the seals or not. Handlebar back in. Nice. Very nice. Cutting the holes, we can stick that in it. Looks kind of bikey again, sort of. Now for the clutch.
Look at that. It just barely clears over there.
Clutch brake, clutch is working again.
Clutch lever is
And
in.
then this appears to be part of the old assembly for the clutch. And then this is the new one. See if that fits. That looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. This needs to have that little screw in there though. Let me get it. I think we need forceps to pull it over there. Maybe. Just a little bit. Got it. Let's go.
I can hear the chugga chugga.
The train is a-coming. Very nice. Insertion. It's finally in. That was painful. Had to hammer it a little. Almost. Almost. Yes, there we go. Yes. Oh, yeah. Gotta loosen the adjustment bolt so we can make the right fork go into the holes because it's not quite lined up. Take the bars back off to get to the bolt.